we are solving 5 minus 10, 9 minus 20 and divided by 2. So you might hear some birds chirping in the background. That's just nature joining our class. So now let's solve this step by step. 5 minus 10 and 9 minus 20 divided by 2. So inside the parentheses first, right, according to PEMDAS rule, division must be done before subtraction, and parentheses first, right? So 20 divided by 2 equals 10, right? And minus 9 and 5 minus 10. Now again inside the parentheses first, so 5 minus 10, 9 minus 10 equals 1. Keep the negative sign. Now here is hidden multiply, right? So multiplication must be done before subtraction, right? So multiply first. So 10 times minus 1 equals minus 10, right? And 5 minus 10. Now 5 minus 10 equals 15. Minus plus.